Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you what is new in Kali Linux 2021.2 release. First thing, when you right click on desktop, you will see a new option called Open as root. By clicking it, you can get root access of your directory. Secondly, you will notice is that change of icons in panels. Kazam has been removed from it. Web browser, mousepad are newly pinned now. And from here you can easily switch between root terminal and non-root terminal. Here you can see build version of my system, that is 2021.2. Code name is Kali ruling. This release of Kali also introduced Kali Tweaks tool. Using this tool you can manage your meta packages and you can also add additional repository to your system. Also you can configure your shell. Next you will see a code editor called Code-OSS, which is the same as Microsoft VS Code. You can edit almost every programming language using this code editor. The Chromium-browser is also came with default installation. A reverse engineering tool called ghidra is also added. Kaboxer introduced, which is a application container. I guess it is pretty much a developer thing. Cloudbrute, Research, Feroxbuster, Peku, Pirates are the other applications that has been added to this release of Kali. You can simply install them by using apt command in terminal if you want to. Also, you can simply toggle between root session and non-root session in terminal by simply pressing Ctrl+P at the same time. The Kali official site has been updated. And the last thing, here are some different wallpapers. And that's it for this video. Thank you.